Finally have a nice day. I'm going to take this bike out for a little ride and do all the final adjustments. I filled the tank with gas, check for gas leaks, turn the gas valve on, make sure the carburetor isn't leaking. And we're going to hopefully start something really easy. And it's been a year and a half since I've run it, so let's see, we got to pull a choke. Probably going to have to let it warm up a minute so it idles, but it does run okay. Might have to re-choke it. My beam works. Let it warm up. If it needs the idle turned up, I can turn that up. But I think it just, because it hasn't been running a year and a half, just needs to warm up. Good, I'm going to ride it to the front. I might get my helmet and we'll go for a ride. Idling good now. Alright, I'm going to let it sit a minute and then I'm going to check the oil and go. I forgot what a fun bike this is to ride. I went out and put 32 miles on it. Does that show up? I don't know. Light might reflect on it, but take my word for it. I put 32 miles on it. Runs perfect. The only issue is the turn signal flasher unit has gone bad because the turn signals blink really super fast. So I'll get a new blinker unit ordered, and that'll take care of that. Anyway, we'll get that taken care of. The bike runs beautiful. Absolutely perfect. Did the final adjustment on the chain. The brakes were fine. I didn't need to readjust them. I did need to adjust the clutch there a little bit. That's why I left this all undone. Was because I knew I was going to need to adjust the clutch for sure. So that's right where I like it. New owner might want it different, but that's where I like it. And anyway, yeah, the bike runs superb. So I'll get a new blinker unit on order, and it's done. I got some really nice still photos of it. $7 grand is the price. So if somebody wants it, $7 grand cash. It's like better than brand new. I mean, it's just absolutely really a nice bike. Painted the crankcase colors of different shades like it was from the factory. I had the paint custom mixed. All original. All painted back to all original. Completely restored bike. I hunted around in my hoard and get a load of this. I found not one but 3 flasher units. So now the turn signals work as they should. Now the bike's done. I'm going to ride it to a friend's house here shortly. I have a friend that just drops by unannounced quite a bit, a couple of them. Anyway, I drop by their houses unannounced too, so all good. So anyway, I'm going to head over there in a little bit and see what he's up to. That would be Tom that I'm going to see. Anyway, there we go. We finished XL250. This is a couple of days later. I was going to order a blinker unit, and I got to looking around in my hoard. I thought, you know, I bet I got one. Yep, and I had 3. Anyway, there we go. The bike is 100% done. That's it for this video. If you liked it, hit that thumbs up icon. If you like my channel, that 348 engine icon that powers that will help you subscribe. And thanks for watching.